Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Coach unboxing, and this particular item, this has been on my wish list since it first came out. And yeah, it was sold out, and then there is a restock, and then finally I was able to successfully place an order. I know this particular item, this is one of the highly sought after pieces, and usually when they do a restock, there are times that a few hours later upon placing the order, it has been canceled, but I was very happy that this order got fulfilled. So anyway, I actually requested for this to get gift wrap. That's because I am concerned the long strap right there could warp during the transit if it's not properly protected from the packaging. So that is the only reason why. Otherwise, I don't really need more boxes. So anyway, let me show you what I've got. I tied this. This is not how it was being shipped. I tied this because I wanted to correct the strap. All right. So the strap, apparently it could easily warp or distorted. And here she is. Wow. Finally she's here, and it is no other than, all right, the Coach Empire Carryall in a size 34 in loved leather. Wow, it is totally gorgeous. Let's take a look at a closer look on this beauty right here. Let me give you a 360 look of it. Wow, look at those. Oh wow, it's amazing. Look at those burnish technique that they've used on this one. Look at that one. It looks well, I've seen this one before. It seems that the bag looks more of like distressed, or yeah, it has that distressed aesthetic. It looks vintage right here. And this one is made up of Gloveton leather, and we guys all know that Gloveton leather, they are very, very smooth. They say it is buttery smooth. I have a lot of Gloveton leather in my collection. Some of them are very, very smooth and soft, and some of them are not so. But for this one, this one is structured. So obviously this one is a structured bag. Look at that. And another reason why I purchased this, it's because of the charm. If it's not for the charm, probably I may not be adding this in my collection. But look at those charm. And this charm, you cannot buy this separately. It is included. It is part of the bag. We have a hang tag right here. We have a key, which is in brass hardware, gold brass hardware. And then the C logo right here, it's in silver. But let me just see the zipper. The entire hardware, yeah, it is silver. So yeah, this one is, they mix the metals on this. Right there. It is so cute. Look at wow, this is so nice. I love it. Totally love it. So this still has those protective packaging. Am I seeing scratches? Which obviously, with Gloveton leather, they are known for, they could easily get scratched. And yeah, I have purchased so many bags, and I really don't mind seeing them because that's just the nature of the leather. But this one, I don't see anything at all. Well, my ring light is actually a full blast at the moment, and I don't see. Let me see. Well, it doesn't matter because this is a black bag and so pretty. And then this one right here, let me just show you the long strap, which I actually corrected like I've mentioned earlier. I did use the dust bag to correct it because even with the box, the gift box that they included, it could still, there's a possibility that the strap could warp. That is the reasons why. And yeah, whenever I buy something that has this type of strap, I always requested to have it a gift wrapped like here. And then yeah, it's actually pretty sturdy. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I can't believe that my order went through. And I have made several attempts in the past and I wasn't really very lucky. But this time probably it was meant for me. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear it and style it. And gosh, I have so many black bags for some reason. I mean, the black color is so easy to maintain, like almost like it's a stress-free bag, I must say. Just have to wipe it. You're not going to worry about those marks, scratches, or even those dirt. So yeah, this one, the distressed, the rub off technique that they used for this one is pretty amazing. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I was able to, it seems that both of these are actually the strap is even right now. So yeah, it's so pretty. And then the stitching, it seems that it's not tonal. Yeah, I think it's a tonal stitching right there. It's so pretty, and I love the logo. It's muted, and then silver hardware. And this bag has all the stuffings inside, which is great. So let me see what else do we have here. There's some desiccant, and it has this paper. Okay, this is just to show you. Okay, so each of this bag is actually crafted differently, and it has unique characteristics. So this leather was made to be loved. Wow, very, very nice. So love those protective packaging. This one has, the interior is actually lined with a microfiber lining. It is soft. And this one, right? Oh, there is a something like more of where you could actually attach something in here, because let me see, the gusset right here on the side, right here, where you could actually adjust the bag, where you could just cinch it in. And yeah, the bag has a really nice soft and wide opening. I mean, the bag looks really structured, and I thought at the beginning that this is going to be a stiff bag, but it is not. It is just the structure. I mean, the style of the bag is more of like elongated. It is long. So this is the gusset on the side. I mean, look at the contrast of the burnish and the leather itself. It's gorgeous. It is amazing. Wow, I just can't get over that I got I got this bag finally. And I was so close, to be honest with you guys, to buy just the charm on the secondary market. That's because how much I love the charm. And there's no way to get them separately. So yeah, this is the charm over here, and it has those four protective feet, which is in silver hardware. And then it says right here, genuine gloved and leather. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful, beautiful piece. And yeah, I don't know, because I mean, I always wear my bag, like whether it's summer, fall, winter, or whatever the season is. I don't really care. As long as if I love the bag, I would wear it. But I think this is perfect for fall. I can't wait to style her. Oh my goodness. It is, look at those veins right there. And I was trying to press it. See how this bag would hold up in time. Yeah, it's actually beautiful. And then it has a pocket right here at the back. And then the patch squid is on that side. There's nothing else. And a little bit of a detail on the pocket in a brown leather, which is a beautiful contrast. Over here, oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. I was so happy that I was able to get a hands on this, and I will be adding her to my collection. And also, I'm not really sure if the Brooklyn is also available. I'm also eyeing that as well. That's because of the charm. Like seriously, I'm buying it just because of the charm. That's how much I'm obsessed with the charm. So what do you guys think about this key right here? I don't know. I think this one is gorgeous. And then we also have a C over here, and then the hang tag. The hang tag is pretty much common, nothing so special about it. And I also love the fact that this one is leather right here. So it just gonna help protect the handle. Oh gosh, I can't wait to style her and use her. Might not be my everyday bag, but I'd always rotate my bag every single week. So pretty much every single week, depending on what I feel, I always use my bag. I want to make it sure that all my bags, I rotate them and use them and enjoy them. Right here, gosh, I can't believe it. That, yeah, she's pretty. I mean, everything right here, it's gorgeous. All right, so anyway, I will be making another video on how I style this bag. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. So pretty. It's so pretty.